Everyone, I am always fond of cooking, and a lot of my friends, including my husband, has been after my life to start a channel on YouTube so that I can share my recipes with a lot of other people. Um, I am managing my full-time job with this hobby for cooking. I love to cook. Honestly, it de-stresses me most of the times. But yeah, there are a couple of instances where I get pissed off and then I don't want to cook. And I think those are the times where we actually go out and eat. So let's start. Today we are going to make a green chutney with a lot of curd in it. This chutney can be served with snacks, kebabs, kathi rolls, and everything. So mostly we have seen this chutney whenever we go out of the house. We find this in a lot of restaurants and a lot of eating joints. So let's start. In the first place, we would need green coriander, dhania patte. We would need mint leaves. These are homegrown, they smell amazing, and they are super fresh. Some green chilies and a slice of ginger, along with this curd, which is again home done. The difference between homemade curd and bought curd from market is that the homemade curd is generally really light on stomach. It has a different kind of taste, which makes it comparatively easy on the stomach. If you ask me about my recommendation, I would highly recommend everybody to make curd out of cow milk, which is even lighter for kids and for adults like us who have a very modern lifestyle. We don't really work out a lot, etc., etc. So this is highly recommended. This is jeera powder. This is kala namak and rock salt. Rock salt is also called senda namak, and I use that in my cooking because it has more health benefits than the normal white salt that conventionally is being used in a lot of Indian families. So let's start. Let's start. So we have these washed, cleaned green coriander leaves. Uh, it's a bunch that I've taken out from the bunch that we buy from the market. As you can see, it's very neatly cleaned and washed, rinsed properly. These days you have a lot of dust and dirt in the leafy vegetables. This is mint leaves, as I said, it's homegrown. Followed by followed by green chilies. We are fond of green chilies, so I'm gonna put like maybe four of them. You can monitor them or add them as per your tastes. This is ginger slice. So if you ask me, it's gonna be an inch long ginger that I have used here. These has two salts, black salt and rock salt. This is jeera powder. Sorry, this is some curd. So, advice. You don't essentially put all the liquids when you use your mixer in the first place. You just use some bit of it to kind of add a liquid kind of content on the material. Once that is done, only then you add more of curd to make it more consistent. Ta-da! So, after we have used our mixer to make a smooth blend of all that I just said, this is ready. Now what we can do is, we have like 2 spoons of curd left and I would honestly not like to waste, so I will add it like this. I just did a small step before doing this. I just had made the curd more smooth by using the same spoon so that it matches up to the consistency of the chutney. And you can see that this is all ready, and now we can enjoy.